Hey guys, little video one more time on material, not so much on the fishes. Even if today there are some interesting behavior, interesting I don't know, but very dynamic and aggressive behavior in the Tropheus group. But no, the topic of today, this is the 2 daytime cluster 120 or 120 for 1 meter 20 centimeter long. And this is Daytime. It's a German company. Feel free to check online the website to get the full history and all the products. It's supposed to be a premium, and at least the price are premium. Customer service always answering your question is not the issue, I would say, but maybe the size of the company, or I would say the activity is not the principal one of the company. If I understood right, in fact, at the base, they are providing LED lighting system for automotive industry like Audi. And they found out a few years ago that there is probably a market in the fish keeping industry as well, or reptile industry, I don't know, but fish keeping at minimum. So they started to put the first product on the market. This is typically this cluster system. The idea or the concept, I would say, is very interesting and smart. I really loved it directly at first place when I found out this product and started to order and to test them. So the idea is, in fact, it's a kind of did-it-yourself setup, but a very easy one. In the way that everything is already, all the electronic system are mounted, you see, and you are playing with a kind of Lego at the end. That is here, for example, if I push, I won't do it because I don't necessarily have the power for 11 cluster, but if I push, you see this little connector are going inside the cable, and the contact put each LED of the cluster under power, and you have such kind of LED. So you are able to pick between different kind of cluster. When I bought this setup 2 years ago, I guess, or 3 years ago, something like that, 2 years ago, I picked the ultra blue red white. So ultra blue red white, I can't show you what it is here. I have to show you this one, or especially this one here. You can see it. It's at this time it was a very nice innovation, I would say, and the proper correct one to pop up the colors of your fishes, like this one is typically red and blue. You see here, Cardinalis or Discus, red and blue, perfect. And I don't know with a planted tank if it's the proper choice. I'm pretty sure it is, but already from start you can get you can change the parameter with this little controller. This is a manual one. You have to enter in the different menu. It's not Bluetooth, it's not Wi-Fi. Nevertheless, you can easily get the proper white coloration or temperature that you would like to get. So this is something easier to do nowadays with the new LED system, Bluetooth controller integrated and so on. But at this moment, it was flexibility of selection plus this controller. It was the good setup to test, even if the price investment is quite high. I don't remember precisely, but I guess we are around the 600 or 700 euro setup in front of us. Maybe in the description I will correct and put the proper quotation for this setup. So you have a big adapter, 100 watt, and in fact the cool thing is you have such kind of multi-plug. The 100 watt can be divided typically 50-50 watt because I have two tanks. So it was one controller managing both tanks and getting exactly the same result on both tanks. Since this is 50 and each cluster typically consumption is 10 watt, you understand why I put 5 clusters. It was a limitation of the maximum adapter power that I can get. You would say, okay, if I want more, if I needed more, for example, I could have get 2 adapter, 2 controller, not this divider to get independent ramp, LED lighting system, and on this I could have put the double and maybe go above 1,000 euro just for the lighting of the aquarium. So it's a bit crazy. But the point of my video is, even if it's a premium price, I'm not 100% convinced that this is a premium quality associated, at least here, for the cluster version. Okay, nowadays they change to a matrix system, and also to Pendix. Pendix is for a very large lighting system, okay, where you can put the module a bit everywhere, I would say. Matrix, this is a newer version. Yeah, because the surprising thing is I was not able to change myself. Typically what I'm doing here with my hand, in theory, it wasn't supposed to be done without a daytime partner intervention operating on the lighting system. And in fact, I started to let it really did-it-yourself version or autonomous version with a matrix. So it was the first not so good, nice surprise, because I bought it exactly to change when I would need it. And the second not so good surprise, this is what you can see, guys, since the beginning. So here you have a very little blue still alive. All the blue dead. Here you have 2 little blue. Okay, and the other one is way better. Way better. Should say it quickly. Huh? So all the blue here disappear, and here I still have some blue. At the minimum, the white are here, but with such kind of difference, you lose the blue and you lose the pop-up coloration, for example, on the discus. And I will probably mix differently this LED, and from the 2 that you can see, I will do 1 with at minimum some blue LED inside. So just to explain that sometimes price can get you some good quality, yes. Take care nevertheless to the experience of the company on the market. Huh? On the market, on your industry, I would say. So here they have maybe experience with LED, but maybe not LED in aquatic environment and so on. And especially this is the first system. So I'm not so surprised that it turned not so good with the time. And I haven't told you what I had to do as here. I changed it myself inside the connection because the plug used was dead because of overheating, and I wrote to daytime because of some issue. I got both tank purple, simply purple, because here I had a wrong connection, and I changed it. At the end, I put away completely the connector, and I extended the cable. This cable because of some constraint of the holding system. So yeah, you can invest, feel free to invest, but honestly nowadays I'm testing another strategy, I would say, where the cost is really reduced. There is a risk in quality, build quality, but up to now, I have to say, quite surprising. What you see, guys, here, this is 350 euro here, 350 euro here. Before and you have integrated Bluetooth individual controller, for example. Huh? And of course, you have the adapter inside here, inside the meuble. Adapter controller integrated. For 700, I renew the lamp, and I check online how much a matrix would have cost, and it would have cost simply the double. So that's all. Today, a little topic about the lighting and some supposedly premium quality, and sometimes you can, nowadays you can find some low cost as good as the old premium quality. This is a feedback or return of experience. That's all, guys. Hope you are going good. Ciao.